Are you a contractor or construction owner that is looking to retain good employees? Well, I'm going to give you 3 easy tips that is going to allow you to keep the good employees at your company. Tip number 1, very, very obvious, is pay them well. These guys have families and they need to be paid well to take care of their families. It's a very hard industry to be in already. So by paying them good, you ensure that they're going to stay with you and not go to a different company. Number 2 is flexible work hours. Now at the office, it's going to be obviously different than the field, but how we have it in our office is we allow people to come, 15 minutes late or 10 minutes early and just make up for it on the end. So this will allow them to be more relaxed, not feeling that they have to rush there at 9 o'clock. If they come at 8:50, they can leave 10 minutes earlier or later. And the most important thing is they're getting the work done. Third is the work environment, nice work culture, have a nice office, nice environment for when the workers come to the office or on the field, that it's a nice work environment. And that's done by the owner to make sure that everybody is loved and there's a unity together. Now, a little bonus as well, which is important, is having change in the office and having change at work. We're here, from 9 to 5 every day, and work is almost 80% of our life. So just changing up the office once in a while, painting the walls, adding new furniture in, having company events will ensure that your employees stay with you longer and enjoy working at your company.